Hello again. Cleaning your fridge is very important because it's one of those things that how hot do you get in the summertime when you wear a jacket on a 90-degree day? Not a good look, makes you tired, wears you out. It does the same thing to your fridge. So what you want to do is you want to access the back of your fridge. Okay, now this one is a 1/4 inch. It's either going to be a 1/4, a 5/16 inch, or it's going to be a Phillips head. Depends on the manufacturer, they're all a little bit different. Okay, but I happen to have a 1/4 here. Okay. Now once you get it, this is obviously going to be a little cleaner than most of your houses because it actually hasn't been sold yet. But this is what you're looking at. This is your coil. Okay. What happens is hot gas goes through here, air is pushed across it, and it cools down the gas, which helps your fridge cool. Now, what happens is as the air flows, any dust, particles, or stuff in your house is going to be attracted to this because it's the way it works. If you have dogs, if you smoke, if you have cats, it gets worse. This is obviously in good shape, so it's just making sure how to get to it. So there are two ways of doing this. You can vacuum it out or you can blow it out. I would highly recommend vacuum it out because vacuum it out, all the stuff's gonna come into here. Blow it out, it's gonna go everywhere. Pardon my using the S word, but you get the gist. Okay, so what you wanna do is, I have me a handy dandy little vacuum here. Any outdoor, any vacuum will work. It's gonna get loud, so I'm probably not gonna talk much, but this is how you vacuum. Take it. You can actually see a difference. Now, vacuuming does okay well. We're gonna go to blowing it out. Now this is gonna make a big old goofy, but that's why you don't blow it out, because it goes everywhere. Now you got more of your house to clean. So I would recommend vacuuming it out, but see, it's a lot better. You got a lot better airflow. Your coils will actually dissipate the heat better, which means your fridge is going to work better. Okay? Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back with some more wonderful information from all of you.